Hey everybody, so we're on day 2 now. Mikey, he's not here today, so I don't have any help. But let's take a look at what we got here. I mean, it's substantially more solid than it was before because it was cracked and there was nothing there. But like, I don't know. I'm surprised. So today we'll give this a quick sand. I got some more epoxy, so it should be enough to do about 4 layers. That's what I'm thinking of this heavier 10 ounce. Let's take a look. This heavier 10 ounce fiberglass right here. So that's cut a little bit bigger so I can get it stuffed in or attempt to stuff it into here to kind of strengthen that up too. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I think this is going to be a big mess again because last time it was a big mess. Working with fiberglass is a giant big mess. Today I'm smart enough to wear long sleeves. My son said that. He goes, "Dad, why don't we wear long sleeves?" And I said, "I don't know, bud." So long sleeves. We'll give this a quick sand so we make sure that anything sticks to that, cleans up any little bumps. We'll fill this in with some of the thickened epoxy. Windy today and it's not hot, so I'm sure this will go great. All right, let's get let's go. This is gonna be a big mess. All right, here we go. Okay, so this will be a trial run to see how much we're going to need. I have a feeling I'm going to need all of this. So let's just pour it all. All right, moving in close here. You see I got some wedges in there. Got this board going across, clamped and kind of wedged in to keep a lot of pressure on there. And it looks like it's working because you got some stuff oozing on out there. Worried about this hole right here. It's the only one. I think I can fill that, it should be fine. There we go. Zoomed out look. So I think tomorrow I should be able to pull this stuff off and kind of see how solid it is. I have 4 layers of that 10-ounce cloth in there, biaxial, so I should be all right. All right, everyone, so that is this. I went and cleaned up, took a shower, and then realized I didn't film the outro. And everyone wants to hear me talk, except for one person I know. He says he doesn't want to hear me talk. That's fine. I'm going to talk now just more. So this is it. We're going to let this dry up, and then I'm hoping tomorrow maybe come in, pull all this stuff off, as long as it's not stuck to it, which looks like it's going to be, and start sanding this down, clean it up, fill all these holes in, you know, try to fix out some of these cracks. I mean, even with cracks, they're like stuff's coming out of them, so that's good. And we'll ferret out. So, all right, everyone, have a great day. Bye. Oh, I always forget to say like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Maybe you'll win this boat. Or maybe you'll watch me go out on the boat and who knows what'll happen. All right, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.